Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to make Gota Sheddho, a traditional Bengali dish that is prepared on the occasion of Saraswati Pujo. Gota Sheddho is believed to be a pox preventative food and is also a symbol of sharing love and blessings with your family, friends and neighbors. Let's get started. Start by washing and soaking the black urad dal for an hour. In a heavy bottom flask, heat the mustard oil over high heat. Add the rye red chili and panch foran. Fry for a few seconds until the spices crackle. Now add vegetables which are cleaned in pairs of 2, starting with baby potatoes, baby green brinjals, white broad beans, green peas with pods, whole green chilies, and spinach which has just started flowering, called shish palom in Bengali. Fold the spinach gently and feed them into the vessel. And now for the flavoring, add spices starting with turmeric powder, add red chili powder, add in salt as per your preference. Finally, add the soaked black urad dal. Next, add 3 cups of water to start the boiling process. Check the vegetables and pulses if more water is required. Here, we adjusted the water level by adding another cup of water. Remember, we will need the water level to be above the vegetables except for the spinach. Bring it to a brisk boil and cover and cook for 15 minutes until the vegetables are tender. Until then, join me as we learn a bit about Gota Sheddho. The day after Saraswati Pujo is Shitol Shashthi. Shosti is the goddess of fertility and is worshipped by mothers as guardian angel of their offspring. Tradition dictates that it is cooked on the day of Saraswati Puja or Vasant Panchami, but is to be eaten on the next day by the mothers for Shitol Shashthi, but everyone in the family gets to enjoy it ultimately. The day of Shitol Shashthi is generally marked by Day of Arandhan, meaning a day when the hearth is not lit and no cooking takes place in the house. This is why Gota Sheddho is eaten cold, sometimes with panta bhat, that is fermented stale rice, on that day. Turn off the heat and let the Gota Sheddho cool down completely. Serve the Gota Sheddho cold with panta bhat. We hope you liked this video on how to make Gota Sheddho. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more recipes. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Happy cooking!